Hello from a beautiful location called Bocchetta di Margosio. I think maybe you're seeing it the other way around. Sounds of nature, and okay, you can hear a car now because behind me there's a street. The car is stopping, but right here all you hear is, well, it's at the top of the mountains over here. Let me show you a little bit around. If I move my big head from the way, there's the Alps, a bit dark but also beautiful, because all you hear right here is sounds of nature, birds, cowbells breaking the silence right down there. Imagine living in the house right there with an Alp, with a mountain right in front of you. This is a very steep hill, and I believe the grass was eaten by cows. Basically, I thought of making this nice video from this moment of presence, because just as I came out of my car, there's a particular beautiful smell of grass, and in fact I can smell it now also. Sometimes it comes along, and it brought some beautiful memories of the past, memories of love, authenticity, purity. That's why I like these places. Listen to the sounds of birds. It's amazing.